Let's tap these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1 means egg. O-N-E. 1 means egg. 2 means dog. T-W. O. 2 means dog. 3 means king. T-H-R-W. 3. 4 means child. F-O-U-R. 4 means child. 5 means bunch. F-I-V-E. 5 means bunch. 6 means chain. S-I-X. 6 means chain. 7 means salt. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8 means art. E-I-G-H-T. 8 means art. 9 means no. N-I-N-E. 9 means no. 10 means dust. D-E-N. 10 means dust. 11 means 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 12 means 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12 means 12.